Go ahead. Sell me this vacuum cleaner. What would you say to me? How would you explain the features and the benefits? What could you say to cause me want to buy this from you? Comment below. There's an ancient Chinese proverb that says hearing something 1,000 times is not as good as seeing. Most entrepreneurs and people, when they want to sell their products, they want to sell something to someone, they always focus on what do I need to say? Using smarter words, sounding clever. That's good. That's 101 basic. Today I'm going to teach you an advanced strategy so you can sell anything to anyone at any time. One of the most profound questions you can ask when you want to sell anything to anyone is, what is the one dramatic demonstration that I could do to create trust and certainty in the mind of my prospect? How could I show, and not just telling, it really doesn't matter what business you're in, what industry, what products or services that you're selling. There's a saying, there is no business like the show business. We're all in the show business, irrespective of what shape or form. There's so much competition in the marketplace. So how do you stand out? Imagine this. Imagine you are a magician, right? And you're going out there in the streets. This is what most salespeople and entrepreneurs do. They yell from the top, "Hey, I'm the best magician in the world. Look at me. I can do card tricks. I can do all sorts of acrobats. I can do all sorts of tricks. Trust me, I am the best. I can do all sorts of tricks. You will be dazzled. Come on. Let me show you." You can do that all day long. And that's what most marketers and entrepreneurs do. Or what I can simply do is, let me show you something. Just perform a trick. Hey, hold on to this. Hey, choose a card. Right there, that's what I call a dramatic demonstration. I call that a WTF effect. What the fuck just happened? So how can you use that in your business? Let me give you a perfect example. Okay. If you're pushing the features and benefits, how doable the vacuum cleaner is, or how good the vacuum cleaner is, how many vacuum cleaners you've sold, that's all good. But if you watch, he's not doing that. He's not talking about it. He just performs a dramatic demonstration. He uses the vacuum cleaner to lift up a bowling ball. And you're like, what the hell? What is that? That looks crazy. It even demonstrates not lifting just one bowling ball, but two. That's a WTF effect. Like, what is this? He's doing that to demonstrate how powerful the suction itself actually is. So in your mind, when you see it, you and I both know that you're not going to use a vacuum cleaner to, suck up a bowling ball. That's not what you're going to do. You're going to use it to mop the floor, clean up the dust, but in your mind, what happens? Wow, if the suction is powerful enough for the bowling ball, of course, it's going to lift every single piece of dirt. Everything. Bingo. Right there, sold. That's the power of dramatic demonstration. So you need to ask yourself the question, how do you show, not just tell? Another example, Tony Robbins, right? When he was getting started, he was using dramatic demonstration. He would go on TV and he would challenge different types of theories. He would say, you know what, give me your toughest patients that you've worked for years, and you couldn't help them, you couldn't cure them. Give me your worst case. Let me handle that. And I'll cure that person and I'll eliminate that phobia live on TV. That's a dramatic demonstration. And right there, the snake phobia, and Tony will cure that lady with a short space of time, being able to wrap that snake around her neck, even though she's had a snake phobia her whole life. Powerful. Later on, he not only launched Personal Power, Unleash the Power, the theme. If you know anything about Unleash the Power theme, take a guess. What is the one dramatic demonstration that Tony Robbins uses to create trust and certainty in the mind of the prospect? Can you guess it? That's correct. The firewalk.
Walking barefoot across hot coals. Even Oprah has done it.
Do you remember the firewalk, Tony Robbins? Tony built his entire career on one dramatic demonstration. that in order to break free, regain the power that we have within us through a demonstration. If I could walk across hot coal, what does that mean? It means I can break free. It means I can break through. That I am unstoppable. You know, it is a metaphor. It is a dramatic demonstration. If I can do that, what else could I do? Okay, you see how powerful dramatic demonstration is. To be able to build dramatic demonstration for your business, there are three things crucially that you need to understand. One, this is the question that your prospect is asking. Can I trust this person? Can I trust this brand? Can I trust this company? That's the first question. Second question is this company, is this person, is this brand competent? Competent. Number three, is this person special? Is this person gifted? Is this person talented? You know, that's what's going through the mind. And when you can demonstrate, it's almost like jumping out of a plane, you know, without a parachute. When you can do that, you create a WTF effect. What the fuck? You know, like what Tony does, curing the phobia on national TV. You see, in my career, I've used this multiple times. On all my sales calls, all I do is dramatic demonstrations. You know, I'll do a video which actually shows a live sales call to be able to show you. So make sure you stay tuned. So it's all about having confidence with your sales. Right there, you go on. You don't know what they're going to say. You don't know what objections you're going to get. You know, it doesn't matter. Because if you're confident in what you do, you know, and you know what you're doing, and you have your expertise, it's okay. Let's go. That's a form of dramatic demonstration. You know, let's go. The thing is, when I teach people, and I'll say, okay, go on, tell me how you sell. You know, close me. And right there, they'll do the role play with me. You know, no script, no pre-rehearsal or anything like that. Boom, we just go. And we're teaching them, coaching them, but I will demonstrate how I will close right there in front of people. You know, that's about dramatic demonstration. I remember when I started my consultancy with a handful of entrepreneurs and CEOs. We'll start off with an hour strategy session, right? Where they'll come over to my office. We'll have like a big whiteboard, and I'll have a pen, and I'll say, hey, look, give me your biggest challenge, your biggest business development challenge. Right there, I'll brainstorm the whiteboard, I'll ask them questions, they'll give me different answers, and they've only paid me for that 1 hour, but through that 1 hour, I'm always able to overcome and come up with a plan that they can implement to solve one of their problems that they have. It could be a problem or challenge that they've been experiencing for months, for years, you know, but yet I'm able to dramatically demonstrate my expertise. No PowerPoint, no plan, no proposal, just go. Let's go. You know, from there, they see, oh my God, you can do this in 1 hour? Wow. So what would you do if you did that for my company for months, for years? That's the power of dramatic demonstration. David Copperfield, one of the greatest magicians in life. How did he build his career? He built his career based on dramatic demonstration. Walking through the Great Wall of China, flying over the Grand Canyon, you know. Making the Statue of Liberty disappear, vanish. Few things. That's all you need. So when you're marketing and when you're promoting, be dramatic. Don't be boring, be interesting. Show, don't just tell. You know, when you can combine dramatic demonstration with massive distribution like TV or social media, then you can sell something to millions of people. Millions of people. You can get your products out there, and a lot of people will want to buy from you. If you want to learn more about the advanced psychology, you know, of closing and selling, make sure you subscribe. Put any comments below in regards to any questions that you want me to kind of address in videos coming up. But I will bring a series of videos coming up that just help and give you tips and advice to starting your own business, to creating, generating more sales, pushing sales funnels forward, but also most importantly, ways in which that you can keep capitalizing. So it's almost like ensuring you don't strategically drift behind. Things are changing, and the way you've been getting sales before doesn't necessarily mean that that is permanently going to remain a sales channel. What you need to make sure is you're breaking out. Things like social media, if certain companies are not tapping into that already, you already have your pool, your audience that you're speaking to, but there's an additional pool such as social media. It's just giving you the opportunity there to add additional customers that you're not already able to reach. So if one comes in from there, great. If two comes in from there, great. Every single additional sales channel should be focused on, and the more sales channels you have, the more secure your sales profile is. The online, you're used to people coming into shops, and there's a situation where people are not able to get into shops, whatever, maybe weather, things are snowed down. Guess what? People can still order online. But if you don't have that option for them, then obviously they have to either go to someone else that they can order online from, and maybe that person's nice and they have a shop as well, and they just end up going to that person. So it's really important that you're able to have multiple sources to ensure that for you as well, you protect yourself. So it's a combination of a range of things that you need to be consistently considering, but the most important thing is ensuring that your sales funnel is there, it's strong, and making sure that you're always maximizing your profit so you don't strategically drift behind. It's a competitive advantage. It's basically a way of getting ahead of your competitors. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you find it useful. Good luck on your closing. Good luck on your sales. Let me know what you think about this. Let me know about your experiences, about your own dramatic experiences, and I look forward to hearing back. I have a video coming out soon on online businesses and how to get that kick started. So stay tuned. Please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you share this video with like-minded individuals, and I look forward to your comments and your feedback. See you.